Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can use stainless steel kadai. This is the Triply. See here, Bergner's BE Essentials Tripro Cookware, which is set of three in the sense. This is kadai one of 22 centimeters and 2.3 liter, and this lid is considered as one piece, and this frying pan of stainless steel is one piece. And now I'll just switch on the gas here, and I'll keep it here, and I'll tell you how you can use this stainless steel kadai. And first of all, there is no non-stick coating here. Okay, absolutely no non-stick. This is just purely plain stainless steel, and the stainless steel is of 304 grade, and the outer this part is 430. Okay, and how you can make this naturally non-stick means this is not fully possible, but you can do that by heating it up initially. Initial heating will makes this pan a little bit non-stick in nature, and it will consume a little bit of less oil if you really correctly heat it. Yeah, here I'll tell you some small steps that will be useful when you keep this kadai, the non-stick kadai, on the gas stove. Always use the flame in minimum, absolute minimum, low flame. Okay, this is the low flame, and see this completely dries up. No liquid or no water in this, and once it is heated up, I'll tell you how much time it took for this, because from kadai to kadai it differs. This is Bergner's BE Essential. Okay, this will depends upon the thickness of the base. This is the base, right? The thickness of the base, so this will slightly vary from your products maybe. So to this thickness, it is taking up like 1 or 2 minutes in the low heat, in the low flame, 1 or 2 minutes, so that there won't be any wetness in the kadai. And I'll just do a drop test of water here, so that water should appear in bubble. So I'll tell you the time also, for how much time it took for that effect to appear, and then I'll just try to sort this onions, and we'll see, by applying the oil, we'll see whether the food is inside this is getting burnt or not. Anyway, this is not completely non-stick, so you should be sorting the onions or whichever the food you cook here. You need to sort it often by just taking the lid here. By taking the lid off, you need to just sort it in between, so that the food inside won't get burnt up. So now it's like 1 minute 10 seconds. I'm just counting the time also. Now I'll do a drop test here, and I'll show you what is the effect. Yeah, see here, it's been like 2 minutes, and see here, I'll just drop one drop of water here. See, if you can observe that water bubble just went off like a floating bubble. So this is now perfectly preheated. Now I can add oil to this. See here, preheating is common for any vessel, so that you need to just keep it in the minimum, very low flame, and preheat for 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes. Then you can add oil. See, I just added the oil, and the oil will get heated up very quickly because it is already preheated. So but doing all these things, you should be careful enough. You need to monitor, don't go to anywhere else while doing this. But yeah, it depends from your vessel, means your cooking kadai to cooking kadai, depending upon the base here. And this is Bergner Triply. This is the combination of 3 set. Anyway, I did the unboxing. I'll just drop the link in the description for that video, and if maybe I'll try to attach in the view products. If you want to check, you can check. Yeah. And one more thing, one advantage is you no need to use this wooden stick to sort, but you can use another stainless steel spoon to just sort. This is one advantage of using stainless steel. And believe me, the food which is cooked in the stainless steel is really good, tasty, it seems. This is the real user experience. Okay, not a professional video or anything, just want to tell you how you can use the stainless steel kadai. And maybe I can just use the food preparation, and in between I'll take a small shot and I'll complete this video. Yeah, see here, to just lock the heat here or the steam, I just kept the lid here so that in between you can sort it and you can use it, and the taste is really good. Yeah, and if you do have any other question, just comment down below. If you can see here, the food is not sticking to the base of this kadai, Bergner stainless steel kadai. So now this is acting as a natural non-stick, but remember, you need to sort in between. I kept the lid for 5 minutes, and see here, even after 5 minutes the food is not getting stick or burnt up to the bottom. So yeah, if you preheat this correctly, you can use it perfectly. Yeah, if you like this video, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.